খিরাই
হ্যাঁ
খিরাই তো তোমাকে তাহলে তুমি সোজা এই নদীর বাঁধ ধরে যাবে।
আচ্ছা
এই পুরানো রোড পড়বে,
আচ্ছা
পিচ রোড। এই সোজাই পুরানো রোড পাড়িয়ে ব্রিজ আছে, বাঁধগিয়ে নদীর ব্রিজ।
ওই রেল ব্রিজটা?
হ্যাঁ রেল ব্রিজ, মানে এটা তোমার কাঁসাই ব্রিজ, মানে এটা
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ কাঁসাই ব্রিজ
হ্যাঁ এটা কাঁসাই ব্রিজ পারাবার পরে আবার নদীর বাঁধ ধরে যাবে, রেল ব্রিজ পড়বে, ওইখানে পুরো ফুল এরিয়া।
Good morning guys, 11 a.m. in the morning and we just finished our breakfast at 100 kilometers away from Kolkata in a place called Khirai, and this place is gaining a lot of popularity in the recent days in internet. This place is also known as the Valley of Flowers. I do not know why they have named this. It took us around 2.5 hours actually, and after crossing Kolaghat you have to come forward for another 20 or 30 kilometers and then take a left if you are coming on bike, and if you are coming on car then it's a total different thing. The route is different. Google Maps, always consult it. So this place is actually very pretty. When I saw it on the pictures and in the videos, like I really did not expect it to be this nice, and now I can totally say that maybe it is too early to say it, but then it can be called as the Valley of Flowers because it's a vast area, like totally filled with different kinds of flowers. Last year when I really started with this YouTube channel again, like in a proper manner, the very first video I made, it was about the flower festival that was happening in Alipur. This year we cannot do that, but this year we have.
Maybe we can do that.
Yeah, maybe we can go. I don't know if they organize it, we will. But then this year we are in this Valley of Flowers or Khirai, and I really think anyone really willing to have a different kind of experience this winter, they really should come and check out this place. Also, you got a backdrop like this. I had to ask a few people on the way, like how to come and how to locate this place. But then if you actually put it on Google Maps as Valley of Flowers or Khirai Flower Market, it will direct you properly. But then just because we asked some people on the way, we got to discover some shortcuts, and let me give you a proper 360 degree of the place. I'll switch to the super view lens and I'll show you.
No.
Oh, spotted some cabbage again. You cannot obviously see it, but then underneath this there are potatoes. Not sweet potatoes, but the regular ones. There are wide variety of flowers, but then I really do not know the name of all of them. I really wish Ankita did, but then how much do you like it?
You can't do justice to this place.
Yes, you cannot actually do justice to the beauty of the place with this GoPro. So if you guys are planning on visiting Khirai after seeing this video, I would really recommend you to come like after 15-20 days, like you know, in somewhere between Jan 15th or Jan 20th. The people out here, the one who takes care of this place, they have told us that usually by this time this whole place is filled with different colors and varieties of flowers, but because of the pandemic this year they were really delaying the entire process, and for that reason the flowers are not coming here until January 15th or January 20th. So if you're planning on visiting this place, please come at that time. By that time, the greenery you see here, the greenery you get to see here, it will be all filled with different colors of flowers, and I really think that would make a very pleasant view. For now we are exploring this place and I would love to explore this more. Ankita is clicking a lot of pictures and she is going all Instagram frenzy right now, so you can check the pictures out in her Instagram. I'll put a link in the description. So we have been talking, you know, to a couple of guys or a couple of farmers out here, and they really had a very important request and a very important complaint as well. Like a lot of people who comes here,
Whenever you talk,
whenever I'm trying to speak, the train just goes by, and after like 1 hour or so I'll try to go and record a nice footage. I'm pretty sure the train won't be coming at that point in time. Gone. So yeah, they really want you to come here and have a really nice time and enjoy it as much as possible, but they are facing a lot of problems because a lot of people are coming here, they are walking just across the fields and everything. That is spoiling the vegetation, that is spoiling the flowers, and this place doesn't only have flowers, it has a lot of flowers, but it has a lot of vegetables as well. We already have seen potato, we already have seen tomato, we already have seen a couple of other things as well. And when you are exploring this place, make it a point to walk through the places that are meant for walking and not get into the land and that can destroy the vegetation.
and also don't steal.
Also don't steal. I really don't know. This guy told us that a lot of people comes here, they talk with them, they try to buy flowers, and while doing so they steal flowers and vegetables from this place. I do not think that is any way, that is like the worst thing you can do to this beautiful place and to the people who...
The only thing that can happen is like they will stop people.
Exactly, that's the point. Like if someone comes here and steals this place, like
if it continues to
vegetables and flowers, they will stop entertaining people out here, they'll stop entertaining tourists out here. I'm pretty sure the people who are watching this video, they are not going to do this, but then make it a point to be more careful out here, make it a point to walk more carefully, and make it a point to see if other people are stealing, stop them from doing that. Okay, we are ready to do some outstanding adventure. ওখান দিয়ে কোথা দিয়ে নামবি? I'm so glad I got to record this. ওরম মনে হচ্ছে তোর? So there is a river just beside the Valley of Flowers. We have come down to its so-called banks, and Ankita is sunbathing at 1:20 in the afternoon when the temperature is around 28 to 30 degrees. And look at her sunbathing. I asked her what she is doing like this. She's like, I'm sunbathing. Ankita, are you done with your sunbathing? Then please let's go back. I'm really thirsty.
দুটো জলের বোতল শেষ করেছিস? হ্যাঁ,
তো কি করব, জল তেষ্টা পেলে খাবো না?
I am going to go for a hike.
Yes. So That's the hike. Just, I really hope Jack and Jill situation now. As I was making fun of Ankita, I was just, losing the grip. আমি এখনো পড়ে যাচ্ছি। So we are kind of done exploring or looking into this one part of Khirai. So this falls on one side of the railway bridge, and on the other side there is also equally big and equally beautiful place with other different kinds of flowers. So we are going there right now. We're gonna stop in midway and have some water because the heat is kind of killing us. And I don't know if you can see, but I'm sweating like crazy already. So we'll go have some water and then start heading towards that side, because like the locals have told us, the other side is equally or more beautiful. The entire view looks so nice. Like there is a bridge and train passes from here. Here when you come here, you can actually buy yourself some vegetables and flowers, beautiful flowers as well. The uncle out here, he's packing me a dozen and packing Ankita a dozen. And it is so cheap, like 12 flowers of different colors for 30 bucks. So that's quite cheap. So when you come here, support these people like if you can, and buy whatever you produce you can from them. They have vegetables, they have flowers, and they are a really class of hardworking people.
देखिए भाई हम करेंगे।
हाँ, मेरी जो।
Thank you.
So this entire thing, it took us 50 bucks. Actually it was supposed to take us 60 bucks, but then I convinced him to make it 50. Especially this uncle out here, I haven't really seen other people doing this, but this guy out here, or this man out here, he is very strict about the way he maintains his garden. If you want to get inside and click a picture, you have to get yourself at least 12 flowers. There is a dozen of flowers. It's just 30 bucks, and I really think that's a good policy.
আমি এটা নালে জায়গা নেই,
নালে হাতে নিয়ে চল, আমরাই ফেলে দেবো।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, ঠিকমতো বসিয়ে
এটা কত দাম?
10 টাকা করে
এক একটা প্যাকেট। তোর নাম কি? গোপাল দাসের কাছে এসে কিনবে তো লোকে ফুল। আরে একটু তাকা ক্যামেরার দিকে, লজ্জা কেন পাচ্ছিস? এত সুন্দর একটা কালারফুল জামা পরে রয়েছিস, খুব লজ্জা পাচ্ছিস কেন? কেউ এসে আগে ভিডিও তোলেনি তোর? এখানে আসলে গোপাল দাসের সাথে কন্ট্যাক্ট করো, ও তোমাকে গাঁদা ফুল বিক্রি করতে পারে, খুব সুন্দর সুন্দর, এক প্যাকেট 10 টাকা দাম। So we are going on the other side of the Khirai flower market, low-key Valley of Flowers. So supposedly there should be rather a lot of white flowers there. So let's see, let's go and check it out. So here we have a river crossing. You have to do that to get to the other side. The river is actually vast and it can get really scary, and it can get really difficult to cross this big river. The guy out there, he told us that if you come here during the rainy season, the water can go up to this height. I don't know if that is possible also, but then he told us that.
Yeah, because
Up till this height, এতটা
জিনিসটা দেখ কতখানি করা আছে।
ট্রু এই জন্যই হয়তো হাইটটা ওরকম সব জায়গাটা।
দেখ পুরোটা স্ল্যান্টিং করা আছে, তুই যদি ডুবে মরিস এখানে এসে মরবি।
Some people are getting smart. Have wow, it's full of sticky saliva. Another adventure awaits us. অঙ্কিতা তুই কি আবার পড়ে যাবি? ওটা তো আমার ওপেনিং শট থাকবে। এটা চন্দ্রমল্লিকা গার্ডেন অ্যান্ড এখানে প্রচুর চন্দ্রমল্লিকা আছে, লাইক abundance, and at most like almost every single flower is white, so cannot really wait to show you how beautiful this looks. Really have no idea how much justice the camera is doing to this place, but throughout the day this is the best I have seen. It's so white and it's so beautiful, like you can actually stare at it like throughout the day. Like you can just stare at this. I think Ankita will fall, legit.
লাস্ট তোকে নিয়ে পড়বো
তাহলে তো ডাবল লস।
তারপরে
So I think we are almost done here. Nothing much left to see and nothing much left to show. Out here we have seen white, pink, blue and other colors of Chandramallika. She has got so many flowers and she got some white and yellow stuff from here as well. So we are done here, we are going out. Got to walk for another 10-15 minutes. Okay, so to let you know, these are actually 5 rupees per piece. So I have taken like 50 rupees of flowers. So practically if you have one day to spare, and if you really have one day to spare and you have a bike or a car in the winters and you really want to do something or see something incredible, something that you haven't seen before, please come and visit this place. I cannot emphasize this anymore. This is one of the prettiest places I have been on in the recent past. এই তো আমারই ছবি উঠছে। So I'm getting a lot of attention out here because of the GoPro I have. Anyway, so the time when you come to Khirai, you'll be surprised to see some people, the locals out here, they have started out their own small shops, and out here you can get chow mein, you can get egg roll, you can get other food items as well, like bread toast and egg toast. We had egg toast out here. They have option of tea, coffee, chips and all that as well. So it's good that they have started up their refreshments, and because more and more people are coming out here and this has become somewhat of an internet famous place, Like a lot of people knows in Facebook right now that Khirai is a popular valley of flowers in West Bengal near Kolkata. So I think a lot of people comes here. We are kind of done. It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon and we are kind of feeling hungry. Really want to go to Kolaghat to have some coffee and have some nice food as well. So that's the plan from here. Leaving guys, I'll see you once we reach Kolaghat. From Shere Punjab, we came to Food Express because the coffee out here is much better than Shere Punjab. I had coffee there, but then I really like the coffee out here. Getting all the energy back in my body because I have a long way to go again. So really hoping that you guys have enjoyed watching the video. We had a lot of food in Shere Punjab. We had a lot of fun in Khirai, and we got ourselves some really pretty flowers as well for our home. Really hoping that you guys have enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to like and share this video. If you want to see more of my videos where I do all this, go around exploring different parts of Kolkata here and there, and maybe in future we'll go around exploring different parts of the country and different parts of the world, please go ahead and subscribe it right now because you do not want to miss all my contents in future. Finally, comment down your thoughts, whatever you think, and I'll see you in my next video.